Hi everyone, this is Alexis Antichaco, and this is my teaching philosophy manifesto. From building my dreams alone to building dreams together. I am a proud public school teacher for the past 7 years. When I first stepped into the classroom, I was a young dreamer, eager, hopeful, and full of passion. I started by building dreams of my own, dreams of becoming a teacher who makes a difference. Over the years, that dream has grown. It's no longer just mine. Today, I build dreams with my pupils. Every lesson, every story, every moment of learning is a step towards something greater for them. I teach not just to deliver lessons, but to plant seeds of courage, hope, and ambition in every child I meet. Because I believe that the classroom is not just a place of instruction, it is a space for transformation. And this is the journey I am most proud of, from dreaming alone to dreaming together with the next generation. For me, each child is a universe, unique, whole, and alive, deserving a space when curiosity can thrive. Learning is not a straight road with one direction, but a journey filled with wonder, mistakes, and reflection. I do not stand above my learners. I walk beside them, guiding, questioning, growing with them. Rooted in progressivism, I echo the voice of Gandhi. In my classroom, we explore, we ask and do, learning through experience, not just what's in view. Inspired by humanism, I hold the wisdom of Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow. I value stories, emotions, and dreams upon spoken, and build connections where hearts are open. Guided by constructivism, I follow the thinking of Piaget and Vygotsky. They are not empty cups, but flames already burning, and every lesson is a spark for their learning. I teach not just to build skills, but to build lives, to shape citizens who think, care, and strive, to help them listen, speak, and stand for what's right, to see the world not in black and white, but with light. Culture and context are not barriers, they're bridges. So, I embrace local voices and everyday reaches, from community tasks to global perspectives. We grow through real life learning that is active and reflective. Discipline is not fear, it's shared responsibility. Respect is not demanded, it grows from empathy. And in every child I see, not just a learner, but a future teacher, leader, healer, and dreamer. So this is my vow, to teach with passion, patience, and purpose, to love the process, not just the outcomes, to remain a learner, forever becoming, where teaching is not a role I play, it is the soul of who I am each day. Again, my name is Ma'am Lexi, and this is my teaching philosophy manifesto.